Big up Crosses TV.
Crisis TV, me know you record that, you know, cause you're bad for your recording, you know.
By him. Tivoli, me respect and rate you.
O'Neal and the future when I go when want to have with O'Neal when O'Neal come up. So when me hear Fambo say me never have no good intention for him and O'Neal. From O'Neal land in America, I have never yet one day said to O'Neal, me I come look for you, I'm lead a relationship with you, I'm more made it, I'm more you left Fambo. Anytime O'Neal come to me and say, Donovan, it was me Fambo, Fambo, I do this, Fambo, I things for me, Fambo. You know this, Fambo, that I have always said to him, go and talk to Fambo. Go and talk. Hold on, Fambo, I'm going to make it talk. Hold on, Fambo, let me get talk. Fambo, hold on. No, I'm going to let you talk. Hold on, let me get talk.
Because me, you know, say you're not genuine.
Fambo.
Yeah, I'm going to call him a Fambo. Strona, listen to me.
If you're with the people, Tivoli, I'm like your people, because they go come on the live, and this is all me straightforward. But I understand everybody direct and straightforward like me. So when they come on the live with a mouth full of lie or whatever, nobody beat. Because I'm not going to tolerate it.
Fambo, I can show all of my conversation with O'Neal. I have never yet tell O'Neal one day say me want him or me a come him or anything of the sort. Anytime O'Neal bring any situation or any problem to me,
all right.
I always tell him
say,
go and talk to Fambo.
And just Fambo, O'Neal finds solace.
Him always that I cannot talk to. I have never yet tell O'Neal say this or that or that. The only time, whatever happened this morning, I can access to that. This is the only time when O'Neal called me this morning and say, Donovan, me can't, but I know, me have enough, no, me go one shelter, how to take one bus come a bus stand. And that's how I gave O'Neal the direction how to take a bus come a bus stand. But I can show all the conversation with O'Neal and me. Hold on, and the reason why O'Neal delete all the conversation,
that is not the place, and that is why I am this level now with you. Because since you deny everything, since you can deny everything, so you never have given advice for relationship. You give advice and I give them all to come and bust and like, what are you? Are you really?
No, yes,
did I lie and talk about it?
Tivoli, that's what I say. You know, you should have done when O'Neal come to you, you should have said to him, say, your man aware of this. That's what you should have done. That's what you should have done.
You are right, and you are right. You are right about
only
that. You are right about
when time see a bomb, I'm a tag you in a something thing. I have never disrespect you until my sister put up a defensive mechanism like say, all right then, my have a family. You cannot use that.
Or you came at me, Fambo. Me and your friend, me never have no Fambo. I've always showed you 100% genuine love. Me drive 3 hours from Boston come to New York and you party with support. I've always shown you genuine love. You should have tagged me. Hold on. You shouldn't have tagged me and come to me so defensive.
From whatever thing where you cannot talk behind my back, I don't need to come in your inbox or whatever because even when I block you, you know say I'm block you. You know it's block you. You know
I didn't know.
Me block you.
Hold on. Only message me. Hold on. No. Only message me and say, you know, see the picture of me and Fambo at the party when I post. And I said, no, I'm not see the picture. When I was looking for O'Neal page because see the picture, I said, O'Neal, me can't find it on Instagram. You block me. And O'Neal said, no, I'm not block you. I'm not block you. I said, well, O'Neal, me can't see you. Can you block me? And then O'Neal said, no, me never block you. So I don't know if you block me or O'Neal block me, but I said to O'Neal, I can't find you. And then O'Neal said to me, say, are you block me? So me don't even come on the internet to come make up the story and make up the lie.
Why would you make
and the reason why O'Neal,
that make any sense?
What I said, O'Neal said that you are the one who blocked me. That's what I just said. I didn't make an assumption. I said, O'Neal said that you are the one who blocked me, not him. And I said to O'Neal, O'Neal, why you delete the conversation then? He must say, because him always search my phone and I don't want him to think otherwise. But I say, but we're not talking no O'Neal, so you should have deleted no message.
So me attack. I'm not talking because if him going to say me a search him phone, my phone has always be open. Him always run through my phone and thing. You know when I start going that trial phone, when me got in a phone February and see some conversation with some extra Jamaican thing. And so, I start return by the favor. So if I never return by the favor when I think they're going on phone or whatever, I know that you are not this person who's genuinely happy for me.
Oh boy, Fambo. So this is a toxic relationship there. Fambo. You just don't know what a big thing for me and beat me.
So when I say I come and here talk a story, don't fabricate a story, talk your truth. Because also me see me there in America and come and see people relationship and message people. And I see them people reach out to me and say, bro, me thought me a fool or whatever. And honestly to God, I never know say the people them did a good relationship. I do reach out and say, bro, good enough. Sorry about that in my manners. I never put up defense like say more than the people them whatever, more than apologize, I'ma keep it moving. If I see them, same way I'ma greet them and thing. That is all maybe. But when I say somebody like say
boy, you see through me like what? You see through me like entertain girl, man. Me I tell you the truth, me always entertain the girl man me there, cause me not tell no girl man for come out of my DM me there. Me not want no girl no loyalty. But me know from both spectrum away I talk about something about the dick. Emily, come out. Fambo play some music and laugh and just wine and drink and go out yourself. Fambo, it not worth it, baby. It not worth it. Laugh and kill up yourself and ask some question and chat to the people. And you have to talk to them there.
So when I say if your intentions was so good or whatever and thing, and somebody call you and them are distress you to them whatever and thing, whatever. And you say me and you are a friend then. Since you say me you don't have nothing and thing, because use logic now and thing, so say no can't use the mind game for me and thing. Me and you are a friend, reach out to me and say, say such and such whatever me gonna think them like, oh, no, but you never do that. It's all mind game thing I play because you don't want to see the youth here. So, and it's just the fact.
As me tell Tivoli, him should have never tell him say come and match Boston or wherever. But
Sean, it reach a point where I wouldn't mind Tivoli drive right now and can't go Boston, can't go.
Not clad Fambo, you love the boy. Come from.
No,
come,
let me tell you something.
You love the child.
Sean, love is love, right? But you cannot say you love somebody and deep down inside
type y'all calm down yourself.
It's gonna repeat itself. I'm gonna ask me, I tell you it's gonna repeat itself because it happened once, it happened twice, and this is like the third time. So in order, me no want to have the stress for deal with. Me have too much on my plate.
Come Fambo sing. Type pussy girl calm down yourself. Come bossa wine. Listen to the life too nice, Fambo. Life too nice. This is true. Me is a focus. Me I defend the focus. Cause me is a or, so me only can talk for the or community. You understand? I'm making them something that I the kind of work that me do. You understand?
When me not the good intention theme, I was like so surprised. I'm like, Fambo, me always show genuine love. Every time you see a pub, I always show genuine love.
So how come you never surprised when you give you information for come a Boston? You know should have surprised for that too?
My bad. Me never just be the bigger person. Nothing wrong with that. And Fambo accept the apology and just keep it pushing. And just talk to your man.
I'm gonna say him this so surprised, but you're surprised at everything because you were so clueless and you were so cheering for me. But yet still somebody call you and things. So what if it was an emergency then? And so that advice you would have give. Look here, you can't fool me.
Fambo, me can show you all of the conversation them. I've always given him good advice towards you. Ask him. And I'm going to send you all of the conversation. Can me not delete conversation. Can make sure you see my receipt them. I will send you everything. Come on the internet to computer, no shenanigans and whatever. Me not do that. And and I don't want to be in a relationship with your partner because you just propose my man them, me have one me can't take on no more.
Yeah, dear me good as. Tight pussy girl, calm down yourself. My pussy not tight in a big but it can't work with. Yeah, for true. Me not tight to walk with the big but here one I can't work with. The man asks much man go there, me say whole heap. Whole heap a man go there. Fambo living in denial. Living in denial for what? Fambo listen to me and don't make comment and tell about go Heartbreak kind of something nice. One man left me already, me dear, my ball and go to a drugstore, go make 2 man wash me off, me dear. Me, I know one nice something that me dear. Heartbreak kind of nice something from where you skin out all in front of the mirror and I look up and there you ask you what went wrong. No Fambo. Just talk to your man. Me love to the two together matching. You see through my belly big people, big like a bucket. Me can't wear matching clothes with my man, you know. You understand? So me have to look for Fambo and pan the net. Yeah. Fambo just talk it out. Have some rough sex. Me know you can cook some good food and go on. You understand? No, I don't want blame game. Just call it a misunderstanding. Just call it a misunderstanding between the two of you. And instead of him go some instead of go batty party, you go some nice like a restaurant and talk. Cause your boyfriend nice Fambo. For true. The fake page them come with on real page.
You would understand and put up with there.
So how you feel now, Fambo? Yeah,
Sean,
calm down.
I never think them, I never agitate myself more than I just tell my truth. And I just feel like say
So I want the boy too. You're crazy. Why would I want the boy? You're crazy. I don't even know who he is. They have a nice, clean man. Nice, tall with brown hazel eyes. Light skin. What kind of more man more? Me and the boy not just come from vacation and look for. No, me dear, me don't want no more man. The boy, him alone make me lose about what, 20 pounds. Me don't want no more man, me dear. I will work that. Me don't like work. Bro, I text you. Yeah, me soon call you, brother.
shampoo, but Fambo, you have space at all.
Yeah, young, take your time with him when you come off the live.
Shampoo. There's nothing to talk about.
So Fambo, no done for true?
More than Chucky. More than come.
Oh, sorry,
So
believe it.
there's no thing to talk about.
So wait, they wanna done for no Fambo, so no done now? Your fans them want know Fambo. What them for expect? One man to my goodie, and that'll do it. Do it. Come people, look for Fambo PS. Fambo, the other boy do left.
Fambo,
Big up you, Fambo. Good old Fambo. Right there, sir. People, Fambo and the child do left. Look for Fambo. Yeah, me know you want laugh, Fambo. Bust it out. Only you go and go hug up your big cocky, man. Yes, see there. Fambo laugh right there, so be the phone. One man to my goodie. That to do it. Yeah, Fambo, go and go hug up your man. Only you go and go hug up your man and kiss and say, baby, I'm sorry, me never mean it. Take it from an old fuckies like me.
Sean, you're instigator, I say that clearly. Alright, shampoo.
Child later. I don't know work my time.
Alright.
But eh? Fambo, you want to smile, you know? You want to smile. Watch
No,
this.
yeah,
Bust the smile.
smile.
Eh? Bust the smile, Fambo. Bust it. Bust it.
Yeah, give me a joke
Look there.
about
Eh?
the change from the real, the moral of the
Mm-mm.
story.
O'Neal pump on paradise. Of course, when you have two man a fight over you, of course. You know what girl two man never fight over? No most good pussy the girl I walk with. Make man send all him address ready for mash up him first. Next man ready for kill her and go to prison. No most good pussy the girl I walk with. Excuse you? Girl pussy tight till it. The live with Tivoli I done you. Hey, Batman wicked, you know. Aliena done you. Yeah, lie them a blood clot help on the child. Aliena done you. Aliena have no reason for done you. Batman wicked, you see?